There was a time when I saw an ad just like this and it transformed my life. I made over $100,000, probably more than $200,000 after seeing some stupid, ugly ad like this. And I'm going to show you how to model after my discovery that I had a long time ago and how we can build something that is really easy to deliver and can make us a ton of money. So, right here, this is just an ad for simple social media templates. And we'll zoom in a little bit just so you can see these aren't that incredible, right? They're just social media templates that you can do on Canva, right? And I saw one of these ads a long time ago, and what struck me wasn't that they were selling Canva templates. It was that there were hundreds of comments at the time saying, "Tell me more info, how do I get it? Love it," all that kind of stuff. And I was like, "Well, I could do that." I had a relatively large email list at the time of real estate agents, so I was able to have at least a potential market to send it to. But then I discovered that there is already a built-in audience just wanting to buy this stuff. So I looked on Etsy, and you can find here there are a ton of people selling these Canva templates, bundles, and all kinds of stuff. You can see some of the prices aren't incredibly high, 279, 1706, but the sheer volume that you can sell, especially if you put it on a marketplace like this or have your own store, is really incredible. And the best part about this entire business was that I built the thing one time. And then my deliverable after that, I literally did nothing. It was just automated. People would buy, they would get a link, and they would download their thing. 99% of the time, I didn't hear from them. Sometimes I would hear, didn't get the link, or link isn't working, or whatever. And you had to deal with that, but it was very minimal. And so, what I want to start moving into is building something one time and then selling it over and over and over again, either on a recurring basis or on a one off basis where just technology automatically takes care of the deliverable. Because even in website sales, it's great to have recurring income, but sometimes you'll get customers or clients that constantly are messaging you saying, "Why isn't this working?" or why am I not ranking on Google?" or whatever the case may be. I have some clients that are paying for websites right now that I never hear from, and it's great, and they're ranking and they're doing fine. But then some are just a pain in the butt, to be honest. It's worth it still for a few $100s a month to have them reach out every now and then. But overall, I remember there were times when we were doing just this business where we were selling digital products, and we would get sometimes $1,000, $2,000 in a day, and I did nothing. I did nothing to deliver that thing. It was just incredible. There was a time we had family in the hospital. We were kind of helping them out, and I remember that day, like one of the most stressful days we had because we were covering bills for them while they were kind of getting back on their feet. Um, and we made over $2,000 in a day just kind of passively. We just get notifications on our phone, sale, 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 sale. And that's great because, the people are getting taken care of. They're buying something and receiving it automatically. And on your side, you only had to do the work one time. You build it once, you sell it over and over and over again. So I stumbled upon somebody kind of doing a review of this other item when I wanted to show you. It's this habit tracker. And I've found that there is still a big market for people buying these Excel spreadsheets and Google Sheets templates. And these are, at one time, they were really hard to create. But now with AI, there's so much that can be done to automatically create these things. So I looked on Etsy again for some of that stuff. You can see some of these trackers like 1706 for 4 trackers in 20 carts. So you can see this is a hot item. This is something that people actually want. And this particular item it's just a one product item, or at least a small bundle of products here. And they're selling it on a Shopify store. And we can duplicate all of this stuff. Now, I'm not saying to go and copy these people directly, but I am saying to use this as inspiration to build something very similar. What I did when I saw that original ad was I said, okay, what are they doing? They just have this kind of presentation style ad here, and they kind of put together what you're going to get. And then they just go to Canva, they build out the templates. Or what I did is I went to Canva and I bought some of these bundles to kind of see the layouts and everything. And I literally would go through and I'd take 1,000 of these and let's find an example here. I would replace the background, I would replace the font, I would replace everything, but I had the layout done. So I kind of had a mental structure of, okay, I need 100 of these for real estate, for example, that were just listed, just sold kind of templates. And after I built those, then I had that forever. And I was able to sell it for several years. I still have people that pay for it today because I built it in a kind of like a monthly real estate content club. And you can do this in any niche. And so I would sell not only the content, and I'd have, I'd get more Etsy templates, or I'd go on Canva and kind of redesign some stuff and kind of freshen it up so they'd keep getting new content. But then I started selling them my social media posting tool as well. And that turned into just an incredible business. I still get notifications on my phone, $29 a month sale, that people are buying this thing. So it's still viable. But back to the spreadsheets thing, I wanted to show you this. So this I thought was really interesting. This is just a kind of a one product store. He's doing some stuff I don't love, which is it shows that it's free, right? But when you add the item to the cart, then if we look up here, it's added all these other things. You can see if you scroll down a little bit that these are automatically checked. But it seems like people are still wanting this stuff because um, in that same video I was watching that kind of did an overview of this, this is just a tracking, just an estimator from this tool called Winning Hunter. And it said just since January to today, they've made about $16,000. You can see on average, it's like $300 to $500 a day. And this is probably under reporting because you can see monthly visits, 72,000. So these aren't always incredibly accurate. It's probably way more than this if I had to guess. Now, how are they getting traffic to this? Because it's on their own shop, right? Well, what it seems to be doing is posting a similar video over and over again on Instagram. You see he's getting like 10, some of these get 79,000 views, 4,900 views, 22,000 views, 10,000 views. And so it's just this video where he's like shaking the laptop, opens it up, and it zooms in and it just shows him checking off different things. It's kind of this really good video here. And then it says comment USA, or there's different things that he has you comment. And as you comment them, then I'm assuming they send you the link. So let's just try it here. Okay, so I commented USA. If it's automated, then I should get a message back in just a second. Okay, so I've waited about 5 minutes. I didn't get anything. I tried a few of the other videos and didn't get anything. They have similar kind of comment to get the item. See, comment USA is the one I did. So all these are comment USA. At the top, he had some that were like comment tracker. So I did that, but that didn't work. So already missing an opportunity here. If you had either a mini chat automation or something built into HighLevel, you can automatically, when somebody comments a word, you can have it send them the link. So missed opportunity there. Maybe his automation is just down right now. But either way, driving people then to this page and making these sales. Now, why am I showing you this? Well, what we can do now, there's a new vibe code builder inside of HighLevel, which allows you to build beautiful shops and websites and all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to try to recreate this thing here. It's not fully done yet on the HighLevel side. They're connecting a few things to be able to connect your products, but I assume that it will be done in the next week or so, which is really cool. So I want to build a ton of these. And what's great about HighLevel and tools like that is you can have unlimited accounts. I could have a sub account that is just for this particular product. All the stuff that I do is driving to that store and fulfilling that product. And if I want to have other spreadsheets or trackers for goal setting and that kind of stuff, I can have that all on that account. And I just want to build like an empire of all these little digital assets that are out there just making money. Because when you can be driving around and just getting notifications that you just made a sale, and you know in your mind, I made a sale. I literally don't have to do anything to fulfill that because it's all automated. The person's going to get that thing and it's just going to happen over and over and over again. And you have thousands of those out there just making $5, $10, $20, $50, $100. It is such a great feeling. So let's see if we can recreate this store inside of HighLevel right now. Okay, so this is the HighLevel Vibe Code Builder. Basically, you can build anything you want now. It's very similar to Lovable and other tools. If you want a free 30-day trial to HighLevel, if you don't have it already, there'll be a link down below to get it. But we're just going to say build this e-com store right here. You can see I've already kind of tested it a bit, so I'm excited to show you what it can do. But we'll let this thing cook for a little bit. I'll come back and show you the results. Okay, so it is done creating, and you can see that it has made a version of it. This is a bit different, which I like. I'll show you the original when I told it to make the exact same thing, was this. So you can see it basically copied it almost verbatim there. So we'll look at the preview of this and then the original. Okay, so here is the original. Here is the copy. And this is just one-shot prompting. I haven't gone in and had it make any alterations at all. Now, currently, this is not going to function. It doesn't attach to a cart, but we are very close, like a week away from all of this being able to connect with your products and shopping cart, checkout experience, all that stuff. So anybody who's on Shopify or anything that wants an entire solution that connects emails and the website and the funnels and all that stuff all into one, you will be able to do that very soon. And that is extremely exciting. So I think that if you are looking for an alternative to having to go out and get contractor clients to let you do their website and social media posting and reviews and all that stuff, if you want a way that you can just create things one time and then literally sell them over and over and over again without having to do a ton of additional work, there's always something. There's always some kind of, you know, annoying thing or every now and then or whatever, but it is so minimal compared to the amount that you have to do if you have like active paying clients that are demanding things of you constantly. This is just an alternative way to look at things. And sometimes you can turn this into like a community. You can turn it into a monthly club where people get new stuff from you, but it's just you build one thing and then it distributes to 1,000 people, right? So it's not having to deal one-on-one with individual people over and over and over again. So I'm going to talk a lot more about the digital product side of how to create things that you can build once and sell over and over and over again, because I really am reminded now how much more fun that was than even selling websites. I've had a couple, like I've sold several websites lately just as kind of a fun side project. When if you've seen some of my past videos, I get to the coffee shop, I shoot off like 5 or 10 websites, building on the same kind of tool that I just showed you through HighLevel. So I go and just like build a plumbing website or whatever and shoot it off. And I've gotten a handful of clients, probably 10 clients or so that way so far, paying anywhere from 47 a month to $300 a month. And a couple of those people are making it not fun, right? They're just constantly asking for changes and things. And so that is partially my fault for not setting proper expectations of what they get and what they don't get. But with this kind of stuff, it's literally like you just build an audience some way or another, either through paid traffic or like this guy's just posting social media content and he's doing it that way. And that's a great way to do it. And that's partially how we did it. We just built an Instagram following over and over and over again, just posting similar content about our templates. And we would make sales that way as well. My sister worked for us and she would DM people like, hey, here's a free download of 50 just listed, just sold templates. And as soon as they would opt in for that, then they would get pitched the next thing. So there's a lot of different ways to approach it. But if you're looking for this kind of content, I plan on doing a lot more of it because I think it's a different way to look at how to make money online without having to deal with clients every single day. So if you like this kind of content, let me know down below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.